Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you the oil that I'm making to help hair retain length and grow better. There's nothing we can do externally to our hair that can make our hair grow other than what we're doing from within. But there's some stuff that we can do externally though that can help us retain length. And this is one of the reasons why I chose to make this oil. So this video is inspired. I have a friend here on YouTube that messaged me on Instagram and asked me if I've used this type of oil before, and I said no. When I was researching on it, I saw the Curly Proverbz video and I guess I just want to see if it's gonna work for my hair. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can catch the next video and my other video that I've put out there. Without much ado, let's jump into this video. I'm going to be using the organic fenugreek seed, organic amla powder, organic moringa leaf powder, organic castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, shea butter oil. In every video that I watch MSM, it's present. I chose to buy the MSM pure because it's fast dissolving. This is the container that I'm going to be using. It's just a regular butter that I got from the store. These are the measuring cup that I'm going to be using. Of course, I cannot forget my essential oil. I'm going to be using tea tree and lavender oil. I use a half cup of fenugreek seed, 1 spoon of moringa leaf seed. I use 1 spoon of almond powder. I use half cup of olive virgin oil. I use half cup of organic castor oil, and I use 1/4 cup of organic 100% shea butter oil. For the MSM, I only use half a teaspoon. When I was watching the videos, everybody kept saying you do not want to use too much of it. I'm not consuming any MSM orally, so I think I'm going to be safe with that. But if you're pregnant, you're not supposed to take it because it's not safe. I added my essential oil. It's just to make it smell good. I really do have an experience with fenugreek seed. I mix everything together, make sure that all the powdering is all mixed up with the oil. I already have a water boiling, and then I just put it inside the water. I put it in a stove for 5 minutes, and this is the result. I thought it's gonna look like this, but after a few days, everything kind of settled. It smells good. I can't wait to see what this can do for my hair. Of course, I'm always looking to add something new. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.